my little friends. Today, we're going to learn about all the fun and important things our bodies do every day. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about sleeping. We all need lots of rest. Sleeping helps our bodies stay strong and healthy. Can you pretend to yawn? Now, let's pretend to fall asleep. Close your eyes, tuck in, and time to sleep. Now, let's move to walking. Walking is a great way to go from one place to another. We walk with our feet, step, step, step. Can you take some big steps with me? Step, step, step. Good job. What about eating? Eating helps us grow big and strong. We eat food to give our bodies energy. What's your favorite food? Can you pretend to eat? Yummy! We also brush our teeth to keep them clean and shiny. Can you pretend to brush your teeth? Brush, brush, brush. Don't forget to brush your tongue too. Brush, brush, brush. Now your teeth are sparkly. Look, it's time for playing.
Yay!
Playing is so much fun. We can play with toys, run around, or even play with friends. What game do you like to play? Let's pretend to play. Now it's time to do some reading. We can read books to learn new things or go on exciting adventures. Can you pretend to read a book? Turn the pages, flip, flip. What story do you like to read? What about dancing? We love to dance to music. Can you wiggle your body and clap your hands to the beat? Clap, clap, wiggle, wiggle. Let's dance like we're at a fun party. Now it's time to do some cleaning. We also clean up our toys to keep our space neat. Can you pick up your toys and put them away? Pick, pick, put away. Great job! Keeping things tidy is important. What about bathing? After a fun day, we take a bath to stay clean. Let's pretend to wash our hands and face. Wash, wash, wash. Now, let's rinse off with bubbles. Bubbly, bubbly. We also need to rest. Resting helps our bodies get ready for the next fun day. Can you sit down and relax? Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale, exhale, that feels good. Wow, we've learned about so many fun activities today. Sleeping, walking, eating, dancing, and more. What activity do you like to do the most? Thanks for learning about all the things we do every day. You're amazing. See you next time. Bye.